Hello and welcome to a very special and very exciting video. Now, there's no shortage of good, high quality road performance shoes in the marketplace at the moment. But in this video, we are taking a look at DMT, an Italian shoe brand that supplied the winner of the 2020 Tour de France, the young sensation that is Tadej Pogačar, which in my book makes them very much worth consideration if you're in the market for some new road race shoes this summer. So 4 pairs of shoes go through different price points and go through the technology and features on offer. But first, it's competition time. Yes, that's right. And giving one lucky viewer the chance to win a very snazzy, very special and very exclusive pair of pink DMT shoes. Very cool shoes. You'll be envy of all your riding buddies for sure wearing these. How awesome do they look? Just keep watching to the end of the video to find out how to win a pair of shoes just like these in your size. Okay, put those to one side and let's dive in to the DMT shoe range. Before we do dive into a closer look at these shoes here, hidden away in these boxes, a bit more about DMT, just in case you're not that familiar with the company. DMT has been making footwear for over 40 years and is a company passionate about seeking the best performance by innovative technologies. The company has worked with many top athletes over the years, and all this experience has helped it to make some of the best high-level shoes, good enough to win the Tour de France. A key development and focus for the company has been embracing knitted technology. This knitted tech was first seen in running and football boots, and it's a technology which DMT has been specialising in for the last 10 years. More recently, it has developed its entire cycling shoe range utilising this knitted tech. The benefit of a knitted upper in a cycling shoe, and I speak from personal experience here, is greater comfort with a sock-like fit, weight savings and improved breathability. We'll start with the KR4, which at £179.99 is the most affordable shoe in this range. It's a shoe designed to offer the perfect balance of price, performance and styling. And it's a really nice looking shoe, especially in this snazzy yellow colorway, but other colors are available as well. So we have a hybrid engineered knitted upper. They use that knitted material with other materials to give the perfect blend of fit, performance and comfort. We then have a stretchy upper material where the tongue would be. It's a one-piece design for a bit of extra freedom and comfort, and one single L6 boa dial with easy adjustment to retain your foot in place when you're really going hammer and tongs along the road. Turning it over, we have a nylon composite sole with a replaceable heel bumper when you're walking and 3 holes for your cleats there, and quite a smart design on the midsection of the heel there for a bit of extra stiffness and rigidity. You also have some reflective details on the logo, which is a nice touch when you're riding late in the evening or early in the morning. On the scales, a size 45 weighs 271 grams. If you're willing to spend a bit more cash, the KR3 can be yours for £235.99. So some similarities to that previous KR4, but we now have a full engineered knit upper for an even better fit and more breathability without the need for mesh panels. You can see how they've engineered this knitted material with different thicknesses in different parts of the shoe. So it's a bit more rigid around the toe box, around the sides and inside the foot there, but lighter and stretchier around the toe box, around the top of the foot to give extremely good comfort. So good comfort and also good support when you're sprinting hard. We then have an upgraded BOA IP1 dial with easier micro adjustment and a single lace across the top of the foot. We have a reinforced heel cup, and turning over, we have a full carbon fiber sole, which you can tell very shiny and very snazzy. We also have a replaceable heel bump stop there when you're walking. We have now 3 bolts with 8mm of fore and aft adjustment, so more adjustment to get the cleats precisely where you need them, and lots of markers to line your cleats and a slightly roughened area there to stop your cleats sliding around. That also helps to save weight, and on the scales, a size 45 weighs 250 grams. It's actually the lightest shoe in the company's range as well. Next up is the SH1, which costs £255.99. This shoe differs a little bit from the other models I've featured so far, as you can see, by using a hybrid knitted 3D upper with a pair of BOA IP1 dials. As you can see, nice easy adjustment. So you still get that benefit of the knitted technology with that sock-like comfort, but a bit more support if that's what you want and need from your road racing shoe. They've used this 3D mapped knitted technology across the front of the shoe with different areas of thickness, increased ventilation at the front, then a microfiber material at the back of the foot around the heel, as you can see. The idea of this hybrid construction with a twin burr mechanism allows for a far greater degree of support for the rider. The upper foot tension is isolated from the lower, allowing a greater degree of adjustment. This is perfect for riders who want to balance maximum comfort and race performance. And turning it over, we have a full carbon fibre sole, making it nice and light and also very stiff. 3-bolt cleats set up, 8mm of adjustment fore and aft, lots of markings, get your cleats where you want them, and a Grip Tech non-slip material there. Ventilation port at the front and a replaceable heel bump at the heel there. So a really smart looking shoe, looks good in white as well, and the colours are available as well. On the scales, a size 45 weighs in at 278 grams. And then moving to the top of the company's range is the KR1, which costs £302.99. And this shoe really is a good demonstration for the knitted technology that the company has fully embraced across its entire range of shoes. But this is really the best showcase for how they can really utilize that technology to give the best performance possible. We now have a multi-layer, full engineered 3D fit material. Mapping technology has been used to tune the actual structure in different places to provide support where it's needed most and more stretch where it's needed to provide the best possible fit to ensure comfort and performance are equally on a high level. So rather than using an additional material which would add weight, to give the structural support you want in a shoe designed for the most demanding road racing cyclists, we actually have this 3D map technology which gives these very unique ribs along the side of the shoe which crisscross like a lattice design. That gives the support, stops the shoe stretching too much, but allows enough stretch in key areas to ensure comfort is also very good, which is critical if you're riding a 6-hour stage of a Tour de France or just doing a 6-hour sportive or training ride with your buddies. So really interesting technology, it looks unique, looks like nothing else I've ever seen before. We then have a single BOA IP1 dial, which gives nice easy micro adjustment, closing and loosen the shoe, and 8 anchor points across the top to ensure it closes the shoe across the top of the foot really nicely and spreads the pressure evenly across the top of the foot. It's a one-piece design as well with a stretchy tongue material designed to give a sock-like feel when you're wearing these shoes. And then we have a full carbon fibre sole which wraps right up around the inside of the shoe there, around the heel and along the edge there. So carbon naturally for maximum stiffness and maximum low weight. Replaceable heel bumper there and 3 holes for your cleats and 8mm of adjustment front and rear. There's nice gripping material and lots of markers to line your cleats up and a small ventilation port on the front. On the scales, a size 45 weighs 290 grams. Some really smart looking shoes then, I'm sure you'll agree. And what's really neat is that despite the 4 different price points, that core knitted technology is shared across the entire shoe range, but utilised in different ways to suit the different needs of riders, whether you're a World Tour professional trying to win the Tour de France, or you're an amateur sporty cyclist and you want the best performance, fit and styling. If you like what you see and you want to find out more about DMT, I'll put a link to a dealer website down below. Go and find your local dealer and take a closer look in person, or go to our website which is linked down below as well. And now it's time to win a pair of DMT shoes, which I mentioned earlier. Yes, that's right. One of you could win a pair of pink shoes just like these and be the envy of all your mates. And all you have to do to get a chance to win a pair of these shoes in your size is tell me, why is the leader jersey in the Giro d'Italia, the Maglia Rosa, pink? What gives it the pink colour? Let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. So nice and easy, hopefully, but let me know your answer down below and I'll pick a winner at random in a week's time. So you've got plenty of time to get answering. Anyway, as I said earlier, you can find out more about DMT in the link down below. And hopefully you enjoyed this little dive into DMT's shoe range, a really interesting product and an interesting company with a long history, passionate about making really high-end road race performance shoes, but it's available at a wide range of price points to suit most budgets. That's all for now though. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all again next time. Thank you for watching.